YouTube, what's good? It's Dame back with another goddamn trade recap. It is February week 2. It was a very weird week. It was a rough week, as you can kind of see in these trades right here. We got a lot of explaining to do. But let's get right into it. So I don't know if some of y'all have seen the video, how I lost 23K in a day. That was this day right here on the 10th of February. I definitely had a crash out day, you could say. I wish I could show the P&Ls like all together, but the accounts are blown. You guys see we do have 3 more Express accounts. So basically, let me explain it. To start off, we had three Top Step Express accounts, not these 3 that you see right here. But we had a separate 3, including this one, God's Plan. This was a part of them, and then there was 2 more. So on this day right here, I crashed. I lost 873. As you can see, I had a lot of chances to end that. But if you guys really want to see what happened that day, just go watch the video. The link will be in the description, and I'll try to pop it up on the screen. I don't know if I can. So on this day, specifically, bro, I was eligible. I had a 4K in payouts that were ready to be taken. Like, I had my 5 winning days on the other 2 accounts, and I was supposed to take payouts this day before I even traded at all. But the thing is, when the market opened, TopStep did not let me take the payouts, bro. So I ended up fucking having a losing day and then still being eligible for those payouts. And like, I was planning, I was thinking in my head, I'm like, yo, I should just go for like, I should just build these buffers back up, you know what I'm saying, and take the payout later in the week on these accounts. But then towards the end of this day, I did a lot of thinking, bro, and I'm like, you know what, bro, like, this money is not even real until it's in my bank. So let me just go ahead and take these payouts, bro. And if I end up losing these accounts, I lose these accounts. It is what it is. So I took 2 payouts that day. So right here on the 10th, I took 1347 and I took 1385. So yeah, those were the 2 payouts from those accounts. Thank God I took those payouts, because this next day, now it says I'm down 235, whatever. I'm sorry for stuttering, but it says I'm down 235. But really, we were down 1,300 on all the accounts, which ended up blowing the other accounts. We blew a couple accounts in the process. So I'll go over the accounts that we blew real quick. We blew the My Funded Future. I had 5 My Funded Future accounts. We blew those. They were not passed. They were in evaluation stage. 3 Lucid accounts also not passed. Those got blown. And we had 2 Tradeify accounts, which were passed and got blown. Actually, we had 3 Tradeify accounts that were passed and got blown. And yeah, now we have 1 more eval on Tradeify left. But yesterday, I copped these alpha accounts right here and these apex accounts right here to full port CPI. So boom, right? We blew the other Top Step accounts, but this account right here, as you can see, I fucking Kobe'd it, made it back last second, bro. This shit had like $100 left in drawdown, and I just full sent it, bro, and I made it all back. That happened, right? So this account was the only account that made it. God's Plan. It just so happened to be, right? And so I'm like, all right, you know what? Since this is the only account that survived, I'm just going to send it. We have CPI on Friday. I'm just going to send it just on this account. And on top of that, I bought these evals to just full port it, bro. Full port CPI. So my dumbass, bro, I had my risk setting, my personal daily profit target was set to 1,100, bro. This is what it was set to. So the second I hit that profit on this account, which was the leader account, by the way, for the copy trading system, the second I hit that, it exited the trade, bro. Keep in mind, bro, I entered longs before CPI even came out, bro. Like, I was ahead of the game. It took me out. Look, it took me out down here. This is where it took me out, right before CPI. And these last candles, I was trying to set it up so I could like full port my other accounts, but I couldn't set it up in time, bro. And my target was these Asia highs right here. So this was my target. It was going to be 8K on just this account. So I would have had a 10K buffer and could have taken a 5K payout next week type shit. But because of that daily profit target, I got stopped early, bro, and was only able to make 1,000 on this account and 1,000 on each of these evals right here. These are the evals that I tried to full port, and the goal was obviously to pass all of these accounts. These are like, as far as the accounts are not the best, but the thing is they don't have a consistency rule to pass. So I was just going for the 3K immediately. That's all I needed, and I ended up only getting a band on each account, bro. Like, it's sad, but it is what it is, man. I guess we just have to grind these evals out slowly and just get that last 2K to pass them. So now that we've gotten that out the way, let's get into our profit factor for the month so far after we spent, you know, the money on these accounts. I mean, you guys can already see it. It's in front of your face. But so far this month, we have spent $1,766 on accounts, and we have net profited $4,327 and have taken a total of around $6,100 in payouts. For the quarter, meaning since the beginning of the year, we've taken 16.1K in payouts. We've spent around 3,100 on accounts, and we are around 13K in net profit, which to me, that is still very good. I'm happy with, you know what I'm saying? I know that these blown accounts are just a part of the process. It is what it is. And I'm just happy to be able to have the opportunity and the blessing to be able to continue forward throughout these next trading weeks and months. The goal is not to just hit a crazy trade and take crazy payouts every week, bro. The goal is to just stay in the long run and survive. You know what I'm saying? Keep these accounts alive as long as possible. I'm glad I was able to keep this account alive. Out of all the fundeds, I'm glad I was able to save this one. But I really wish that I could have fucking got that 8K trade today. But it's all good, bro. We go next and we take the payout on this account. Let's see what we have for upcoming payouts. All right. So this is the account that we full ported. What's the name? For CPI. This has 2 of 5 winning days, so we need about 3 more $150 days, and we can take whatever the balance is, half of that. It's going to be probably a guaranteed $1,500 payout for that account. Then we have this account right here. This has about a $1,900 buffer, which is not, I don't really like that. 3 of 5 winning days, needs 2 more. I've never taken a payout on this account, so I think whatever the balance is, I'm just going to take it on that 5th day. Same goes for this account right here. It's literally the exact same. They copy traded perfectly. So these 2 accounts, hoping to take at least a band on both of these, 1,500 on the other one, which is right here. I don't know why it just fucking spawned in. Yeah, so hoping to take a $1,500 on this one, and then 1K on here, 1K on here, which would put us around 3.5K guaranteed for next week. And then we have this last account, which I actually did the consistency target option. I just wanted to try it. You know what I'm saying? We have only 2 days traded on this account, yet we're only 1 day away from taking a payout. If we literally get 1 day, like in between 600 to 800, we will be able to take a payout. So that's pretty fire. I'm not going to lie. We'll see how this goes. I think with this account, I kind of want to hold off for the payout more, and I want to build the buffer a little more on this account. You guys will get an update on all that at the end of next week. Yeah, I'm sorry also about not streaming as often. I know I stopped streaming after that big losing day, but it was also because on that same big losing day, I went to Micro Center and fucking copped my last few PC parts that I needed. I built this god PC. This shit is amazing. But in the process of that, somehow my webcam broke. So yeah, I had to go get a new webcam, have a new webcam now, so we're good. Streams will be back next week. To sum up the video, to be honest, this week I really learned a lot about myself and just about trading in general. You know what I'm saying? I took a lot of lessons away from this week. We did still come out profitable technically, even though we blew a couple of accounts. I'm happy, like I said, that we were able to survive and make it to this week, and I'm glad that I was able to reflect on those losses. Yeah, with that being said, man, I think that is the wrap up of this video. Week 2 of February. I will see y'all in week 3 of February.